how to send Solana from crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can send Solana from crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the crypto.com app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, simply tap on accounts. After that, search for Solana and tap on it. Then tap on withdraw. Now tap on external wallet. Then tap on add wallet address. After that, you have to select the cryptocurrency. So simply tap on Solana. Over here, it is asking for Solana address. So simply open up the Phantom wallet. After that, tap on Solana. Then tap on receive. Now tap on copy and the address will be copied. After that, go back to crypto.com app and paste the address that you copied. And in the wallet name, you have to type Phantom Wallet and then tap on continue. On the next page, you just have to write the amount of Solana that you want to send. Then you have to review your transaction and the Solana will be sent. So that's how you can send Solana from crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. That's all for this video.